Let's have a look at the question where we are given a formula and we have to understand and see what we have to do with it. An employee who works from home may qualify for tax relief on the electricity and broadband bills. The amount of tax relief such an employee can claim A is calculated using the formula. So this formula is for what? For the amount of tax relief. So here that A will be giving us euro, isn't it? How much tax relief can we claim? And then what goes in here? Total annual electricity and broadband bills. So that's in this bracket. We're going to put a number. It will be in euro. How much it was costing us. Then we multiply. On top of the fraction, we have D. And here we are told where D is the number of days worked from home. So that's what we're going to put here, number of days. And then that is divided by 365 and multiplied by 0.3. Okay. Anne's annual electricity bill was 1,950 and broadband bill was 400. She worked from home for 120 days in the year. Excuse me. Find how much tax relief she can claim. Give your answer correct to the nearest cent. So what are we looking for? The amount of tax relief. So we are looking for this value here. So that means they gave us the total annual electricity and broadband bills. How much is that? Electricity is 1,950 and plus the broadband bill is 400. That is multiply fraction D, it's the number of days, and how many days she worked from home. She worked 120 days. So 120, and that is divided by 365, and again, multiply by 0.3. And we put all of that in our calculator. We press equal, and we get our answer. So we are getting 231, and give your answer correct to the nearest cent, 0.78 cents. So that's how the key here is to understand what is the formula given to us, what those elements represent, and what therefore numbers we have to put in those places.